Knowing your R107 SL. Basic bulkhead checks. Open your bonnet and locate the blower motor heater cover at the back of the engine bay. Take a Phillips screwdriver and carefully remove all screws before removing the cover. Use a torch to check for any debris that could block the drains. Clear any leaves or dirt before replacing the cover and securing it with the same screws. Tire pressure. To determine the correct tire pressure for your R107 SL, open the fuel cover panel and take down the correct figure. Remove the tire valve cap and use a tire pressure gauge to determine the air pressure of the tire. Once you're satisfied with the tire pressure, replace the cap and repeat for each wheel, including the spare wheel. Wheel bolt tension check. Before you begin, adjust your torque wrench to roughly 100 Nm or 80 pound-feet. Apply pressure to each wheel nut one by one in a crisscross pattern, repeating this process for each wheel. Windscreen wipers. Carefully pull your wiper blades away from the windscreen, inspecting the rubber for signs of wear and excessive dirt. Also check that the clips are still holding the blade in place securely before returning each blade to its original position. Fluid levels. Basic maintenance of your R107 SL starts with the engine oil level. Locate the circular handle of your dipstick and pull it towards you to remove. Wipe the dipstick clean with a cloth or paper towel and reinsert it all the way. Remove the dipstick once more and check that the level of the oil is between the minimum and maximum reading points. If necessary, top up your engine oil by removing the engine oil cap and adding oil in intervals to avoid overfilling. To check your power steering fluid levels, locate the pump and hold the pump cover while twisting the pin anti-clockwise. Carefully remove the lid and pin to assess the fluid level. The gearbox oil level can be checked by using the same method as the engine oil, but the engine must be running to effectively do this. Engine coolant is located behind the windscreen washer fluid. To top this up, remove the metal cap and fill according to the marked level. Always check that your lights are fully operational before driving in the day and at night. Replace any bulbs immediately and clean any dirt that might obstruct the light. The driver and passenger seats over time can become difficult to adjust. To combat this, use a water displacement spray to loosen the seat runners, applying a modest amount to the rails and wiping off any excess spray. Sit in the seat and maneuver back, forwards, up and down to spread the spray.